Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find out what your cash tag is and where you can see it in the Cash app. So let's get right into it. Now, your cash tag is basically a tag which is used to identify you, which is your unique sort of username for Cash App, which people can use to send you money, or which you can use to send people money, or which they can use to request it. It all depends on what method you're using. You can also do this for other transactions as well, but the cash tag is pretty much the main thing on a Cash App, and it's very, very useful. Now, I am using the support article here. It doesn't have the right information for this. This is only an explanation of what the cash tag is, but I can't really show you guys where to find it. I can explain, but I can't show you because Cash App is not available in my region, so I do hope you guys don't mind. But other than that, let me get right into it. Now, to see your cash tag, it's, if I remember correctly, located in your private section in your account details. Now, to get to your account details, it's a very simple process. You can go into your Cash App application, enter it, log into your account, and in the top right, you will see your account button where you can access your settings. From there, you will see a security tab, and right below that is a sort of private information or personal tab where you can go, and in that section, you should be able to find your cash tag as well as any other information such as your phone number, email address, PIN for your Cash App, etc., etc. And that is pretty much where you can find it and how you can see what it is. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.